Welcome back to Chinese Time. We are here with a new video for you guys, and we have started this HSK series on standard Chinese language course. So today we are going to cover lesson number 7. If you are new here in our channel, you haven't watched any other video, then we recommend you to go in our description and click on the playlist button, and that will take you to the first video of this course, and there you can start learning Chinese from zero. So we are going to start lesson number 7. This is another important lesson, and it's going to help you a lot in multiple places. Let's see what is the name of this lesson. It is 今天几号? 今天几号? What's the date today? What is the date today? So what's the date today? You should know. So we are going to learn about what's day today, how to say yesterday, tomorrow, and how to ask someone at what day we have exam and when are you going to meet. All these things are everything about dates and about days and months and years we are going to learn today. This lesson is going to add a lot of useful vocabulary in your Chinese language. So again, we're starting from first dialogue. It is between A and B. So A is asking 请问请问请问今天几号请问 请问 means excuse me. So whenever you are going to ask someone any question, for example, you are outside and you don't know where to go, where is subway, where is that particular shop you're looking for. So whenever you are going to ask someone a question, you should start from 请问. Similarly, if you are in class or if you are in university, in office or in your company, if you want to ask some question from someone you don't know, you should always start your question with 请问. It's like in English we say excuse me. So whenever you will say this word 请问, the other person will understand that you are going to ask some question. You can say 请问今天几号? Excuse me, what's the day today? 请问今天几号? Excuse me, what's the day today? Answer B is saying 今天9月1号. Today it is 今天 today it is 9th month and first day, which is 1st September in English, right? Today is 1st September. So in Chinese language it is really easy to name months and dates. For example, if it is first month is January, you simply need to say first month, that is 1月. If it is fourth month April, you simply need to say 4月, fourth month. So it is really important for you to know and how to say or how to call these numbers in Chinese language. So if you don't know Chinese numbers in Chinese language, then we will recommend you to also go in our description and click on a playlist button, go in previous video that is dedicated to numbers in Chinese language. Go and watch that video if you don't know how to call these numbers in Chinese. So it is 今天9月1号. So 1号, it is how is showing day, date, and E is first day. Second day is 2号. Third day is 3号. So just follow the number and speak in Chinese and add 号. So this is how we represent date in Chinese language. So first is again asking 今天星期几? What's day today? 星期is actually week. 今天星期几? And 星期 is week. So today what's the day of the week today? So his answering is 星期三. It is Wednesday. 星期三, it is third day of the week. So Chinese week is also starting from Monday. So Monday is first day of the week. So it is 星期一. 星期 is week. So 星期一 is Monday, and 星期三 is Wednesday, and 星 is Friday. So you just need to be master at these numbers 1 to 9, and then moving on to 99. You can say everything in Chinese, like dates, day, and years. You can speak all these things if you're good at numbers. So if you are not good in numbers, so go and watch our previous video. So let's see what are the new words in our this dialogue. The first word is 请. It means please. It is a polite way to ask something. So one is to ask, to inquire something. So if you add these two, 请问, that means to ask something very politely. Like in English we can say excuse me. So this is nearly same, 请问. It is nearly same. So 请问is to ask something. Next word is 今天 today. How is number. In this dialogue it is used for date of the month. It can also be used in multiple places, like in your mobile number, house number. So you can add this how. Next word is 月 is month. Next word is 星期 it means week. Now we can simply revise our dialogue after this. So our dialogue is 请问今天几号? Excuse me, what's the day today? 今天9月1号. Today it is 1st September. And 今天星期几? What's the day today? 星期三. It's Wednesday. Alright, so after that we will move to the second dialogue. Second dialogue is again an important one. A second dialogue is 昨天是几月几号? 昨天 it is yesterday. So yesterday, what was the date yesterday? 昨天是几月几号? What was the date yesterday? 昨天是8月. 昨天是8月31号. Yesterday it was 31st August. 星期二 Tuesday. So you can see it is very simple. 昨天 is yesterday. So yesterday it was 31st August. So 8 is actually starting from 1. 8th month is August. And 31 is 31. So this is how we pronounce 31 in Chinese language. And it is Tuesday, so 星期二. You can also see from here 31st August is Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, and this is Tuesday. So you can say yesterday it was 31st August and Tuesday. 明天呢? 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 What about tomorrow? So you can see usage of na. We saw this before. So na is coming here again. So you don't have to repeat the whole question. You simply use na. 明天是9月2号. Tomorrow will be 2nd September. 星期四 Thursday. So of course yesterday it was Tuesday. Today it is Wednesday, and tomorrow it will be Thursday. So you can see here that 昨天 is yesterday and 明天 is tomorrow. So even if we are talking about yesterday, we are using 是, or we are talking about tomorrow, we are using 是. In first class we saw 是, it means is, am, are, to be. So in English, if we want to talk about yesterday, we will always use was, were, and for future we use will. But in Chinese language, it is different. Grammar is very different from. So don't confuse the two grammars. So here, when you have used 昨天is showing yesterday. So when you have already used this word, you don't have to use was, were. You can simply use 是, because this word is telling you are talking about past. And similarly, 明天, it is very clearly representing future. So you don't have to add any other word to show that you are talking about future. You don't have to use will, all those things. You can simply use 是 in this kind of sentences. And there are some sentences where you have to make some changes, but right now you don't need to know those things. With time we will learn everything. So in this dialogue we have learned only two new words. One is 昨天is yesterday, and 明天 is tomorrow. 昨天 yesterday, you can see here how to write these words, and 明天 is tomorrow. And today, 今天昨天今天明天. It is how we say yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So after reading, let's revise this quickly. 昨天是几月几号? What was the date yesterday? 昨天是8月31号 星期二 Yesterday it was 31st August, Tuesday. 明天呢? Tomorrow? What about tomorrow? 明天是9月2号星期四 Tomorrow it will be 2nd September, Thursday. So my question from you is, what was the day yesterday? 昨天是几月几号? And what about tomorrow? 明天是几月几号? So what's the day today? You can just comment below. What is date today and what will be the date tomorrow and what was the date yesterday? You can simply tell us this in comment below. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe our channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope to see you in next video again. Until that, take care. Goodbye.